Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add a link to an image in Canva. Let's get started. Adding hyperlinks to any element within a Canva design is pretty simple. It could be your text, graphic, photograph, or even a shape. All you need to do is either use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K or right-click on your element, and then select Link. This will give you the option to either link to an external website or to a specific page within your document if you have a multi-page design. For now, I'm going to use this to link to an external website. Let's use the youtube.com link as an example. Keep in mind that if you download the design as an image, like a PNG or JPEG, the link won't work. This is the default nature of images. If you need clickable links, you would need to use image maps through code or export the design as a PDF instead. But if you want this added link to work, you have two options. First, you can embed this design somewhere on your website, web page, or blog post. Second, you can download it as a PDF. Make sure you don't check any options that might disable the links. For example, if you flatten the PDF, the links won't work. So avoid flattening the PDF. Simply download the design as a PDF, and you're good to go. The hyperlink will work within your design. For embedding, click on Share, then More, and select the Embed option. You'll get an HTML embed code. Copy this code and paste it into your blog post or website, and it should work seamlessly. That's how you can add a link to an image in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.